The quality is the life of MyDreamHair. This is not a slogan. Mr. Zhang, head of Quality Control Department, clearly knows the importance of the quality. He has a strong sense of responsibility and mission. In the eyes of his colleagues, Zhang is very strict and picky, which has brought great pressure to the production department.
When I'm at work, I would look carefully if there's any impurity, like thread, mixed in the hair. After that, I run my fingers through the hair to check if there is shedding issue. For the same specification of products, I will check and make sure if they are in same color, length, curls, and softness. In a word, every detail must be perfect. All of our products are built on high quality. There's no reason to make a profit by cutting down the quality.